The Perodua Axia teaser essentially guarantees the launch of the all-new Toyota Wigo this year. This is due to the fact that the Wigo's licensed Malaysian counterpart, the Axia, is available there. And with that, the images of the small hatchback provide us with some additional hints about what to anticipate from the second-generation Wigo. This model is more than simply a front and rear-end redesign. When the 2023 Wigo switches to the Daihatsu new global architecture platform, it receives a complete redesign from bumper to bumper. The future Wigo will therefore have the same basic structure as the Toyota Rays, Avanza, V-Laws, and the next generation Viyos. In case anyone is interested, the second generation Wigo's chassis code is D74A. We may anticipate it will be bigger than the model it will shortly replace, as with every new generation. We currently just have a corner view of its front end as a hint. It does, however, provide a clear view of the headlamps, which exhibit a more angular and aggressive appearance. The bumper with sharper edges is no different. It's important to note that the Toyota model's appearance may change. It might be given a treatment more akin to the Avanza and not have the same edgy appearance as the Perodua model. The instrument panel and touchscreen are the only interior features that have been visible so far. The cluster comes in two configurations, a semi-digital display or a fully digital display. The latter resembles the one in the Rays Turbo in appearance. Higher spec variants can incorporate a touchscreen with a 9-inch display audio screen. The cluster is something upon which we can be more confident, however the touchscreen will vary depending on where it is sold. We sincerely hope that the Philippine spec vehicle would support Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Simply said, probably not. According to Perodua, the Wigo model would have a 1.0-liter engine. The engine is probably a carryover from the present model, thus the 67 horsepower and 91 Nm of torque numbers might not change. But since the new Wigo and the Rays are built on the same chassis, there may be a small chance that Toyota will install the bigger, more potent 1.2-liter engine. The Wigo will finally have a new gearbox, which is more crucial. The tried and true, and though also dated, 4-speed automatic is gone. Using a continuously variable gearbox, the all-new Wigo enters the modern era, if information is based on the Malaysian Perodua Axia. Additionally, the top-of-the-line Axia has a technology dubbed Eco Idle, which is probably a stop-start system that turns off the engine when the vehicle is not in motion. The Wigo appears to be becoming more upscale in our neighboring nations. It now has features in the Axia that were previously only found in more expensive vehicles. For instance, the top-spec models come with a smart key, and the majority of variations come with LED projector lighting. Additionally, it comes with a feature called Smart Drive Assist. It features adaptive cruise control, collision warning, blind spot assist, automated emergency braking, and is essentially Perodua's answer to Toyota Safety Sense. It will be intriguing to see how many of these features end up in the Wigo built to local specifications. The Axia version will be released first before the end of February, so that's something to anticipate this month. Various rumors state that the brand new Wigo will debut in March. The local premiere is yet uncertain.